We're going to sell this thing, Bob, on YouTube. We only want $7,000 for it, Bob. Ready? $7,000.
What, for the machine?
Let me be the all-rated, or the all-rated, right? Oh, that didn't sound good.
I think he just ran over a mouse.
Here we go. Like the slaves back in the year, it's like the new turn of the century today, of the 1900s. Slavery ended, machines made machineries, and we went on. Now in the 2013 year, we have this machine still functioning real well.
How old is this, Bob?
Big thing, a little thing.
From the 1890s.
It is from the 1890s. It's working on the 30th century.
No wonder why his teeth are so dull.
Oh, no wonder why. It's cutting metal like it should be. Because you have to know what you're doing. Today's technology, making what you need to make.
You want to try it, man?